Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and this is my recap after 31 days of using the Polar Vantage V3. Now, if you go through my videos over the last 31 days, you can see all the benefits, including improving my sleep, figuring out that most of my back pain came from inactivity, and the exercises that the Polar Vantage V3 recommended really impacted my recovery. But one of the biggest discoveries that I've made with the Polar Vantage V3 is an app that Polar recommends that you should use with their watches. I believe it was 2022 when Polar started a collaboration with Livewell. Now, this is something that I looked into for a very short time, but I didn't go back to it until this challenge. Through this challenge, I was able to reconnect my watch with the Livewell app, and I can say it's the best decision I've made with my Polar watch. While Polar Flow is great, it struggles with one thing, and that's gamifying fitness. That's something that Fitbit has always done really well. They know how to make it seem fun, they know how to make it interactive. And that's another thing that was lacking with Polar Flow. I couldn't recommend that my friends bought the Polar watches because there was really no way for us to interact. But with the Livewell app, all of that changes. You're able to create these boost challenges where you can challenge yourself or your friends or even strangers to join you in a daily, weekly, monthly exercise challenge, and you can all take part and see each other's progress. That brings a lot of fun to the Polar watches. The great thing about this is it isn't just limited to people who use Polar watches. It's available even if you're only counting your steps through your phone, through a Fitbit, through a third-party Android watch, or even through an Apple Watch. This app has allowed me to create a challenge with 18 friends, and we've just been motivating each other through the month. It works really well. The Livewell app feels like the closest thing to the original Fitbit app, where it allows you to visualize your step goal, sleep goal, and even activity goal in a very digestible format. But going back to my 31-day challenge, not only did it motivate me to be active every day and the people around me to start being more active, the best thing about this is that it actually motivated my mom, who was watching the videos, to start walking every day, and she's sending me videos every day of the exercises that she's doing. So for me, this has been an ultimate success, and even though I saw a downturn in how much I was exercising during February, I started to pick up a bit more at the end of February, and I feel like that 31-day challenge really kick-started my health and fitness again. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions about the Polar Vantage V3 or the Livewell app, remember to leave your comments in the comment section and let me know your questions. And if anything, subscribe to Tech Loto. Thank you very much for watching.